Jake's under pressure power washing. We're gonna be stripping and cleaning this deck today. Give you a little sight of what it looks like now. Getting everything set up to spray the deck with the first step. Right now we just wet the deck down. Nothing is on it. Nothing but water. And then we'll start spraying the chemical on. All right, so we're putting the first coat on now. Spraying everything on. Already got the floor done. Just hitting it for a second time. See, get a little bit there. Start to pull that out. All right, so we got the first step done. We got the deck stripped. You can tell it's all cleaned up now. And we're getting ready to do the second step. All right, so now he's applying the brightener to the deck. All right, as you can tell, it's already starting to work. If you look at the sprayed side versus just a clean side. And we'll focus on, look at this floor right here. So you can tell the difference. Haven't sprayed any of that yet. All right, so he's finishing up spraying the outside of the deck. Now we'll let this sit on there for a little while. We'll go ahead and give this a good little rinse off. I'll take you back up here in just a second. And when this deck dries, it's gonna be a nice natural color. All right, we stripped this deck, and this is what it's going to look like, the finished product. Check us out on YouTube. Check us out on the web, jepwash.com, for any of your cleaning needs. House washing, we're going to go ahead and take care of this next. Go ahead and get that patio as well, but main concern today was this deck. Getting it back. Homeowner's getting ready to sell this place, so if they wanted to spruce it up a little bit. Thanks for watching.